Hi babes, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm showing you how I'm going to create this beautiful gorgeous look using a full face of black owned brands. I'm obsessed with this glam and I cannot wait to show you guys how many amazing black owned brand makeup products there are in front of me. We in the beauty community, we beauty creators, influencers need to step up and showcase, embrace, promote black owned makeup brands, because you see so many white owned makeup brands everywhere, and it's our job as influencers to use and promote their products on our videos. If we use their products, people see us using the products and people will buy the products, and what are we waiting for? We should just go and do it. So if you want to see how I came out with this glam using a full face of black owned makeup brands, make sure you keep on watching. So let's start the glam. I'm so excited to be filming this video. I have so many good products in front of me and I cannot wait to share with you guys what they are. But before I jump into the makeup, I'm gonna apply moisturizer, and I do have a black owned brand moisturizer. This is the Daily Brightening Moisture Dew from Camillerosebeauty. I've worked with them before. They are amazing to work with and I actually love the products a lot. I use the C serum, like it just like I finish super quickly because I really liked it. And they also have this moisturizer which I also used before and I like. So we're gonna moisturize with that because that skin needs that moisture in order for it to allow that makeup to sit perfectly on top. If you don't want to have like flakiness on your skin, always moisturize your skin before applying anything to your face. Always moisturize. This moisturizer smells so good. It's not like super strong scented, but it leaves a really good smell and it leaves my skin super smooth. So that's exactly what we want from a moisturizer. So if you haven't heard of them, make sure you go and check them out. I will leave their Instagram here. I will leave the link down below. Everything, make sure you go check them out. Amazing brand. Love them. Okay, my hairs are making me crazy, but I just let the moisturizer sit for a bit and I'm going to apply primer. And I have the Fentybeauty Soft Matte Pro Filtr Instant Retouch Primer. It's been a while since I last used their matte primer and their matte foundation, so today I'm going to be using them. And yeah, let's do that. So I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. So this primer is supposed to mattify the skin and I see that it did a bit. My skin was really shiny, but yeah, you can see my skin is a bit shiny still, but not as much. So yeah, we're gonna move into foundation, and again I'm gonna be using the Pro Filtr Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and I have two shades in here. I have the 190 and the 230. It's been a while since I've last used this, so I'm gonna try to go with 190 first and then see if that is too light for me. I can go and mix a bit of the 230 in there. I just apply it into the back of my hand and then I'm gonna go in with the beauty blender. I don't know, like next to my neck, I feel like it's a good shade for me, the 190. I don't think I need to go darker. I feel like these might work, and if it oxidizes it might be an even better match. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go with the 230. I think the 190 is good for me. Look at the difference between the before and the after. Is really like full coverage and it really leaves the skin super flawless. So I really like this foundation, but I just stopped wearing it because they came out with the hydrating one and I was in a more like hydrating glowy skin feel, so I used that one a lot and I really like that foundation. But it feels good to go back into trying this one again. Okay, now that the foundation is on, it might be a tad bit light for my taste, but it's just a little bit. Like if you compare it with my neck, like maybe you cannot even see the difference, but for me it's a little bit light. But yeah, I'm loving this foundation. I mean, it's been a while since I last used it, but I just love how the finish of the foundation is looking. I love how my skin is looking, and I love how it highlights my imperfections. It's not like super matte. I feel like you can still see a little bit of the glow coming through from my skin, which is good. I like a matte foundation, but I do like when it's a little bit like glowy, like a satin finish, and I feel this is more of that. Just gonna bring the foundation down my neck so there are no lines and everything looks blended. But yeah, I'm just so happy to be filming this video. I feel it's so important for us, like content creators, to like support the Black community in the beauty community by using Black owned brand products on our videos, and that is a big light of it on the beauty community. And you see white owned brands everywhere. They are the ones that are mainstream, they are the ones that are selling millions, and I feel like it's our job as content creators, influencers, to really sell and like promote Black owned brands, and yeah, you know, help with the diversity, help the cause, and do your part. There are so many good brands out there that are Black owned, and a lot of people don't know them because they don't see them anywhere, so it's our job to put them out there. So the next product I will be using is the Beautybakery Cake Face Concealer. The shade might just work perfectly for this foundation shade, and yeah, I've used this concealer many times before. I really like it. I love Beautybakery. They have amazing products, and I love the owner. Her story is amazing. If you don't know her, make sure you go check Beautybakery, check her story. She's a cancer survivor, and she works so hard to make this brand what it is today. So make sure you go check her out. Make sure you go check Beautybakery if you don't know them. So I'm just gonna apply that under my eyes, really brighten up the eyes, a little bit on my forehead as well. Not so much, just like so. It's enough. Just gonna blend it. So everything blended super smoothly, super nice. I'm loving how this is looking, and now I'm gonna go with contouring. This is the OPV stick foundation. This is in hot cocoa. It's a foundation, but you can use it as contour, so I'm just gonna apply that on my face like so. So let's blend this, see how this blends. It's been a while since I've used this product as well. See how this blends with the foundation. Okay, that is blending really nice. It's not like moving my foundation or anything. Okay, that is looking good. So far so good. Let's do this side. Everything blended to perfection. I love this foundation stick, OPV. You did that. Make sure you go check out OPV. And we're gonna go and jump into cream blush because Fenty Beauty has these new cream blushes, and I haven't used this shade yet. This is the Petal Popping. Let me see if I can open this. There it is. Such a pretty shade, and I feel like it goes well with my complexion. And I'm just gonna go in with the brush. Such a pretty shade, so cute, love it. I've tried Summer Wine Time, I think that's the name, and I really like it, but I feel like I like this one more. Really pretty. I feel like it complements my complexion. Really pretty. I'm just gonna go over my nose as well, because I love doing that. A little bit on my forehead, just for a little bit of color. Love this. It's looking perfect for me. Exactly, everything's falling exactly how I wanted it. It's looking good. So now it's time to set an under eye. I just need to go and blend it so there are no lines. And for baking powder, I'm gonna be using the Pro Filtr powder, setting powder. This is in the shade Butter from Fenty, and I'm just gonna lightly set. I don't want to bake or anything. I just want to like lightly set my under eye. like so. My nose, the nose area, because I get oil in there, so I just really need to press in the powder in there. And then I'm gonna go with the Fentybeauty Shady Base Sun Stalker Warmed Bronzer. That's a long name. I'm just gonna really bronze up my skin. Just gonna leave it like on this other portion of my cheekbones, not bringing over here, because that is where the blush is and I don't want to cover it, so I'm just gonna leave it right there. My hair is like everywhere, you guys. I just hate it. I'm just gonna cut my hair. I just can't do it anymore. I really want to cut it short. I'm just sick and tired of my hair. I'm gonna cut it short and that's it. So the base is done and I really like how it's looking. I'm not sure if I'm gonna apply highlighter, so I'm gonna just move into my eyes before I decide if I will do that. But before we move into the eyes, I'm just gonna like freshen up my skin a bit, and I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty What Did You Makeup Refreshing Spray. Like so. Smells amazing, feels amazing. Time for brows. I'm gonna be using the Beautybakery dark brown brownies eyebrow gel. Yes, so let's apply that with a angled brush. So I'm gonna need a mirror here. I'm just gonna draw a line on the bottom of my brow first, like so. And then I'm gonna start drawing a line on the top of my brow. The shape is there. I'm just gonna fill it in right now, like so. So it's looking good so far. I'm just gonna do the other one off camera, and then I'm gonna apply the same concealer that I used under my eyes, under my brows, like my brow bone, and I will be right back. Brows are done. It's time for the eyes, and for palette I'm gonna start with this one. This is the Zulu by Juviasplace. If you don't know Juviasplace, they have amazing eyeshadow palettes, really great quality. They also have like lip products, complexion products as well, but their palettes are really famous for their quality and I really like them. Nikki Tutorials love them as well. And I'm gonna use this shade from this palette. I know there's a lot of color right here, but I'm not gonna play with color today. I'm gonna do a more easy look, like a summer look, and I'm gonna apply this color right here. So I think I'm gonna do like a smoky wing, a browish smoky wing. I'm gonna do like maybe a smoke darker look in here. Apply some blacks as well. To darken up this look even more, I'm gonna go in with the Opvbeauty eyeshadow palette in Gorgeous. Let me show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Really beautiful, a lot of warm tones, some colors, a lot of browns in here. So I'm gonna go in with some of those brows and really darken up this eye look. Gonna even go with black on this other portion of the look. I know it looks crazy right now, but once everything is blended and everything, it will look better. Just going with a bit of powder. I was going to do a line, ended up looking like this, but I like how it's looking, so I'm not mad at the look, not at all. I'm gonna apply the brown shade under my waterline as well and like connect those two. I'm gonna take the same dark brown shade and create a little thing in here, like that foxy eye thingy that you do. This is not where I wanted to go with my eyeshadow today, but I don't know what I did. It just turned out like this. So I'm just gonna leave it like this and apply Falsies. I think it will look much better when I apply Falsies, but I'm gonna first apply mascara, and I have this Fentybeauty full frontal mascara, which I love. So when it comes to Falsies, I don't have any that are from a black-owned brand, so I'm just gonna apply my faves off camera, and I really want you guys to comment down below any brand that you guys like that is a black-owned brand when it comes to Falsies that I'm going ahead and buy some for myself. So comment down below brands that you liked that are black-owned that sell lashes, eyelashes, and Falsies, and I'm gonna go and buy them. Lashes are on, they are still drying, but I'm obsessed with how the look is looking with the lashes on. But now it's time for lips. I'm not going to apply highlighter because I've been just like a sucker for a no highlighter glam lately, so I'm just gonna jump into lips. And for lips, I'm going to apply this Opvbeauty matte lip. This is in the shade Lagos Babe. It's a dark brown, and I feel like it will look really good on this look. Oh, it's pretty, really pretty. So this applicator right here makes everything so easy to apply, even if I'm not applying a lip liner. I really love this lip color. It's beautiful, but I really want to go with a gloss on top, and I'm gonna go with the Fenty Beauty Diamond Milk lip gloss just to give it a little bit more of a jazz. I really think this lip took this look to another level. I really... okay. That's not cute looking, Monica. So the look is done, you guys. I'm feeling myself. I just went to grab these sunglasses because they are a vibe. But... pardon my hair. I'm obsessed with this look. I cannot even begin to tell you how much I'm obsessed with this look. I think I'm gonna do this look a lot more. This is my first time like doing something like this. And I love it. I feel so pretty. I feel glammed. I feel bomb. A dark lip is a vibe. I had so much fun filming this video and creating this makeup glam, but I have to be honest with you guys. I don't own that many black-owned makeup brands, and that is not okay. I want to change that. I want to go and do some shopping, so make sure you comment down below your favorite black-owned makeup brands so I can do some shopping. Not only makeup, but anything you want, anything that you love that is black-owned. Make sure you comment down below and I will do some shopping. I will also put donation petition links on the description box, as well as the links for all the makeup that I used today, so make sure you guys go and check it out. And I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did so, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe into my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Again, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.